Welcome back to our class, our online class. So today I'm going to look at a method called factorization or factorizing quadratic expressions. So we start by doing the first example. You're going to factorize x squared plus 6x plus 5. So you find the number which when added they'll give you a 6, and then when multiplying they give you a 5. So the sum is 6 and the product is 5, and these numbers are 5 and 1. So we use 5 and 1 to factorize our expression. So we start with x squared plus x plus 5x plus 5. We split 6x into two parts, where one is x, the other one is 5x, so that we can factorize. So we find the common factor between x squared and x, which is x. We put it outside the bracket. We'll have x into bracket x plus 1. And then we find the common factor between 5x and 5, which is 5. So you have 5 into bracket x plus 1. So the two factors which are similar, x plus 1 and x plus 1, we normally leave one of them out, and you'll be left with x plus 5, x plus 1 as the final answer. Then we move to the next example, x squared plus x minus 12. Here we look for two numbers which when added they give you 1, and when multiplying the product is negative 12. These numbers are negative 3 and 4. Negative 3 plus 4 will give you 1, and then negative 3 times 4 will give you negative 12. So once you get the factors, you split x into two parts where we have those factors. So we'll have x squared minus 3x plus 4x equals 12. Find the common factor between x squared and 3x. The common factor there is x into bracket x minus 3. The common factor in 4x minus 12 is 4 into bracket x minus 3. And as we've said, the two similar factors, one of them is left out, so you'll be left with x plus 4 and x minus 3 as your final answer. We move on to the third example. In our third example, we have x squared plus 6x plus 8. So you find two numbers where their sum is 6, the coefficient of x, and their product is 8, which is the constant 8. So these two numbers are 4 and 2, because 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So we use that to factorize. We have x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. As usual, we split 6x into two parts, where we have 2x and 4x as the splitted 6x. So we'll have x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. You find the common factor between 4x squared and 2x, which is x. So into bracket, we'll have x plus 2. And then we find the common factor between 4x and 8, which is 4 into bracket x plus 2. The two factors which are similar, that is x plus 2, one of them is left out. So the final answer will be x plus 2 and x plus 4. So that is the final answer. You can do more examples following our link, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons daily. Thank you to my viewers who are in Russia, those who are in the United States of America, those who are watching from Germany, those who are watching from Japan, those who are watching from Ukraine, from Vietnam, from South Korea, from Republic of Uzbekistan, those who are watching from Belgium, those who are watching from South Africa, from Nigeria, from Kenya, those who are watching from Canada, those who are watching from the Far East, Middle East, Qatar, Australia, those who are watching across the globe. This is where you can learn mathematics tricks for free. Support us by subscribing and sharing this channel with your friends, with your wives, with your girlfriends, with your partners, with your sons and daughters who are in school, so that they can learn mathematics and pursue excellence in it and pursue the best careers, and also open up their thinking, widen their horizons. Thank you for being one of us.